Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening settings on your Firestick and selecting network. This is where all connections live. Make sure you know the SSID and password for the new Wi-Fi, or have an Ethernet adapter ready if you prefer wired. Once done, highlight your current network to reveal available networks. That step forces the device to scan, which is why you must begin here, because without an updated scan, you won't see the new access point. You now pick the desired SSID from the list that appeared. This tells the Firestick which router to talk to. When prompted, enter the Wi-Fi password slowly and double-check case sensitivity. Use show characters if you're unsure, because one wrong letter blocks access. If your network needs a static IP or custom DNS, choose Advanced or Configure Network and input the values. This is necessary for some corporate or Pi-hole setup. You finish by checking the connection status. The Firestick should show connected with an IP address. That confirms data flow. If it doesn't connect, restart the device and try the scan again, because temporary glitches often resolve with a reboot. Make sure to forget the old network and rejoin if credentials changed. And if problems persist, power cycle the router and, as a last resort, reset network settings on the Firestick to clear any saved conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.